Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python from the basics using an easy method. First, you will need to install Python, which is a straightforward process from its official website. Next, choose a good integrated development environment, or IDE, like Visual Studio Code, to write and run your code efficiently. Then, dive into the very basics, understanding how Python syntax works and what fundamental data types are available. Once you have the setup ready, focus on mastering Python's fundamental concepts. This includes understanding how variables store information, how operators perform calculations, and how control flow statements like if else and for loops direct program execution. Learning to write functions is crucial for organizing your code, and exploring data structures like lists and dictionaries will enable you to handle collections of data effectively. Theory is important, but hands-on practice is where true learning happens. Dedicate time to solving coding challenges on platforms like LeetCode or HackerRank. These will solidify your understanding. Start building small projects, perhaps a simple calculator or a text-based game, to see your skills in action. For a more advanced step, consider contributing to an open-source project to gain collaborative experience. As you progress, expand your skills by exploring more advanced topics. Object-oriented programming, or OOP, is a powerful paradigm for building larger, more maintainable applications. Investigate popular libraries like NumPy for numerical computing or Flask for creating web applications. Remember, the Python community is vast and supportive. Continuously seek new resources, tutorials, and engage with other learners to keep your knowledge growing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.